All right, so I have a slow leak on one of my tires for a couple of weeks. Every time I need to go drive, it needs another 2 pounds of air. And I carry a pump. So I'm at my parents' house now where I have actually room, because I live in the city. And I got my Ren stand over here hooked up. And look, it raises up the car one full side. So when you want to rotate the tires, you just put one Ren stand on, lift it up, and then you can rotate the tires nice and easy. So I'm taking off this one tire. This is the passenger rear tire. That's the one that has the slow leak. I'm going to clean the wheel completely in and out, and then I'm going to stick it inside my dad's jacuzzi and see if we can see it bubbling. All right, so I'll send you some. I looked all around and I don't see anything. But it's definitely leaking. All right, more to come. And come on, turn. And there it is. A little nail or a screw or something. I don't know. Who knows? We're gonna have to pull it out. It would be nice if it was like here or here. It's on this flat part, which is a little sucky. But you can see it bubbling. Let me get my soapy water. Hello. And there it is, it's bubbling. So definitely got a puncture. And I'm gonna yank it out and see what we get. And it's a little sheet metal screw, self-tapping screw. It's pretty funny because I use these screws in my business, and I'm sure it's one of my screws that fell out of my toolbox and landed next to the car someplace. So I did it to myself. I screwed myself. All right, and that's it. So now I'm gonna try and patch it, and that's it. We'll see what happens. Okay, it's done. The patch is done. I filled up the tire to the tire pressure, 41 pounds, and I put some more soapy water on it, and I don't see any bubbles. Pretty awesome. And now I'm going to rotate them. Since I have one off, I'm going to take the other one off. I'm going to rotate it. I have 5,900 miles. I might as well do it. I got to do it done now.